Welcome to Mini Lecture 3, where we're going to talk about the Matthew effect. And if you're not familiar with it, it is from a Bible verse in the book of Matthew. And it was first coined way back in 1983, but Stanowich is the one who used it in a few years later and talked about the fact that our students who start out poor or as a low reader sometimes end up exactly at the end of their education as a low reader. So the poor get poorer, the rich get richer. In other words, many times our students who are good readers, they continue to read. They're successful. Success builds upon success, and they increase in leaps and bounds sometimes in those first years in elementary. But the gap widens as the years go by for our slow starters. So think about that in working with your students. And this is Mini Lecture 3 that you will find on Canvas. And I wanted to show you, as you look on Canvas, see the mini lectures. We already did 1 and 2. This is the Matthew effect from Mini Lecture 3. And remember, when you go to the course activity, I just wanted to access that and show you a little bit what it looks like. It has the information, it has the directions here, you can see. And so on Mini Lecture 3, you'll see number 3 says, after reading about the Matthew effect, what are the direct implications for you and your students? Reflect on the implications for you. So that's what you're going to write about in a short couple sentences, short paragraph about the Matthew effect. And so that is recorded in the section called Course Activity. And I was going to see if we could slide down. So you can see that the course activity you will do each week is really thinking about, reflecting on your learning. What did you read? What did you find? Sometimes there'll be new ideas. Sometimes it will be strategies. I'm just going through, for instance, back on our Mini Lecture 2. And we talked about what we already knew. My prompt is, what do you know about vocabulary now? List your knowledge about vocabulary, how students learn new words, the impact on reading and learning, etc. You can always add to it, but make sure you address the prompt for the full points in your course activity. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.